Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for rental property on realestate.com.au. So first of course is head over to this site and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now for you to be able to apply for property listings, you must first head over to your profile page just by clicking on your profile icon found at the top right corner of your screen. So click on it. Next is scroll down, then click on rental applications. To get started, head over and start managing your renter profile. This part is essential. You have to pre-fill all this information before you will be eligible to apply for property listings. Make sure that all the details have this green check mark beside it. Then once done, you can start by clicking on Start Your Property Search. Now in the search bar, just type in a suburb, postcode, or state of the location that you would like to browse or apply into. So let's just try looking in any location. So from the search results, say for example, you would like to apply for this listing. So just click on it. Then next is scroll down. And from here, you should be able to see the apply button. So just click on it. Now from here, you will be redirected to this page. So since we already pre-filled all the details earlier, now the last thing you may want to do is make sure that all the details that you entered are all correct and accurate for more chances of your application to be approved. Now you may also want to answer these questions. Have you inspected the property, preferred lease start date, initial lease term, and rent per week? Then, if you think that everything already looks good, you can head over and click on Submit Application. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye!